Ecosystems are a network of complementary organizations that jointly create value while serving the self-interests of member organizations. Because they exist to solve a complex problem that no organization can address on its own, they must inevitably manage the tension between aligning efforts of shared value creation against the inevitable conflicts among complementary or competing contributors. Therefore, orchestrating an ecosystem requires coordination to create value. By studying multilateral public-private collaborations to find a cure for Alzheimer's disease, the researchers identify a new model of ecosystem control, indirect and distributed governance using R&D Consortia. There are 3 models of consortia: 1. Regional, 2. Sponsored, and 3. Umbrella and nested, that allow member organizations to jointly orchestrate an ecosystem without centralized control. The article discusses the broader implications of this model for orchestrating ecosystems. This study offers new insights into how firms practicing open innovation can leverage ecosystems to achieve corporate goals. Firms practicing open innovation in science-based industries must develop strategies that leverage inbound and outbound knowledge flows from these ecosystems. This means that organizations need to utilize different types of consortia, like regional, sponsored, and nested consortia, to orchestrate the ecosystem. To learn more, please read Distributed Governance of a Complex Ecosystem: How R&D Consortia Orchestrate the Alzheimer's Knowledge Ecosystem by Joel West and Paul Olk in California Management Review, Volume 65, Issue 2.